Hello everyone, this is True E-Marketing. Today, we will be going over social media marketing strategies that you need to know. To start off, why do we need social media for our e-commerce stores or brands? Data shows that in various media displays in North America, the cost of acquiring customers for traditional offline marketing is as high as $57 USD per person. TV and magazine advertisements cost nearly $20 USD per person. Instead, social media marketing only costs an average of $2 USD per person. Compared with advertisements, people are more willing to trust the recommendations and opinions of their peers. As a result, using social media can trigger people's attention and discussion about your products and/or services. Social media can greatly contribute to the success of the business. Social media allows current customers or potential customers to establish more extensive contact and interactions with you. It helps you increase website traffic through referral links and helps generate sale opportunities. So how would you choose the best social media platform for your business? First, find what age your target audience is. Since different age groups like to use different platforms. Platforms like Facebook are more popular with older users compared to Instagram and TikTok, whose users are mostly the younger generation. True E suggestion: if you're good at content creation, we suggest you choose a platform that is newly released because it has many advantages. For example, in the first year of TikTok's development in North America, a new user can create a TikTok account with 100,000 or even 1 million followers within the first few months by reposting videos, but it will become more and more difficult in the future. For social media with a history of more than 10 years, such as Facebook or Instagram, it is more difficult to increase the number of followers. If you want to increase the number in a short time, you need to have excellent content and advertising. So how would you promote your short videos on TikTok? So promotion strategies. For TikTok, user feedback is extremely important. It indirectly determines whether the video can enter the next level of traffic pool. User feedback includes completion rate, number of comments, likes, sharing, etc. These indicators can be improved through artificial design. Improving skills. In TikTok, finding accurate keywords can help you get more traffic. Being able to use tags cleverly, such as #ForYou, #FY, can also bring good results. Some tips for choosing the correct tags are to not focus on the broad hashtags such as For You page or funny. You will also need to add some niche tags that will target specific users that also enjoy the type of content you make. An example of choosing a good hashtag is something like if you're posting a cute dog video on TikTok, you want to add some broad tags like FYP, For You, and cute. Next is to add some popular but a bit more specific tags like dog, pets, or awe. Next would be adding even more specific tags like golden retriever, puppy dog, and even some special tags that describe your video, such as dog tricks, dance party, or dogs and baby. Thank you for listening. I would like to remind everyone that we have more free classes and free resources on our website. We're giving free 20-minute consultations, so make sure you use it. Also, sign up with your email to receive the latest news, updates, and new classes.